Hello guys, in this video I'll guide you on how to use your phone as remote for your Xiaomi Mi TV Stick. And trust me, the process is quite simple. Without wasting much of your time, let's quickly dive into the video. First things first, on your phone you want to head over to the Google Play Store or iOS App Store if you're using an iPhone, and then from the search icon at the bottom over here, just click on it, then come inside of this search page and search for the Google Home app. You should be able to find this app from the Google Play Store or iOS App Store, and over here is the application. So make sure you select this app and then download and install this app into your Android phone or iPhone. Now once the Google Home app is downloaded and installed, you can go ahead and open it up directly from the App Store. The setup process for this application is quite simple. You just have to follow all of the on-screen instructions and give it all of the permission it requires. So click on the Get Started button at the bottom over here, click on Next. Give it all of the permission it requires. You might also be required to sign into your Google account. That is, if you do not have your Google account signed in on your phone already. In my case, I'll just go ahead and sign into my Google account. This is the Google account I want to sign into, then click on OK. Preferably, you should make sure you sign into the same Google account that is signed in on your Xiaomi Mi TV Stick. Once you're signed in, you will also be required to turn on the Bluetooth, so make sure you turn on the Bluetooth of your phone, then click on the next button over here. Now that is basically all you have to do to properly set up the application. This is how it looks like from the home page. At this point, before we proceed with anything, you want to make sure that both your phone and your Xiaomi Mi TV Stick are connected to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot network. If you no longer have the remote control of your Xiaomi Mi TV Stick anymore to connect it to Wi-Fi or hotspot, don't worry, I have a separate tutorial that will guide you to connect your Xiaomi Mi TV Stick to Wi-Fi without the physical remote control, and I'm going to be leaving a link to that video in the description of this video. Once they are on the same Wi-Fi or hotspot network, you want to proceed to click on the Devices tab on the Google Home app, which is this box icon at the top over here. Just go ahead and select it, just like so, and over here you're going to see all of the devices that are connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your phone. So over here is the name of my Xiaomi Mi TV Stick. This is it, so I'll just go ahead and select it, and then from the list of options you're going to see the Open Remote option over here. If you do not see the Open Remote option in your own case, then it simply means that the account that is signed in on your Google Home app is most likely different from the account that is signed in on your Xiaomi Mi TV Stick. So make sure they are on the same account, and once you select the name of your Xiaomi Mi TV Stick, you just want to click on the Open Remote option over here. And if you're doing this for the first time, you will also be required to enter a code that will be displayed on your Xiaomi Mi TV Stick inside of the Google Home app. So I'll go ahead and enter mine. Once you're done, just go ahead and click on the pair button. And now you have this remote control on your phone, which you can now use to navigate through your Xiaomi Mi TV Stick. And as you can see, this works pretty well without any problem. If you do not like the style of this remote control, you can as well click on the three dots icon at the top over here, click on D-pad control, and now you have a different style of remote control that you can still use to navigate through your Xiaomi Mi TV Stick without any problem. If you find this tutorial useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.